What separates the wealthy from the rest? Is it luck, hard work, or something entirely different? Today, we dive into the philosophy of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, a book that has reshaped the way millions think about money, wealth, and success. The core of Rich Dad, Poor Dad lies in understanding the contrasting attitudes towards money and investment held by two father figures: the author's own father, termed as Poor Dad, and the father of his best friend, or Rich Dad. These two figures embody starkly different perspectives and values around finance and education. Poor Dad, a highly educated and hardworking individual, believed in traditional financial wisdom: work hard, save money, and avoid risks. He emphasized the importance of securing a good job with benefits as the pathway to financial security. However, this mindset often leads to a cycle of dependency on a paycheck without ever achieving true financial freedom. On the other hand, Rich Dad, who lacked formal education, adopted a mindset focused on creating wealth through investment and entrepreneurship. He viewed money as a tool to be used to generate more money, advocating for financial education, investing in assets, and understanding the market dynamics. Rich Dad's philosophy was simple: work for knowledge, not money. One of the pivotal insights from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the distinction between assets and liabilities. Rich Dad taught that an asset puts money in your pocket, such as real estate investments, stocks, or bonds, whereas liabilities take money out, like a new car or a luxurious lifestyle that exceeds one's income. This fundamental understanding encourages a shift from merely earning money to making money work for you. The book also stresses the importance of financial education. It argues that being educated on financial matters, understanding taxes, learning about investing, and knowing how to manage debt can lead to making informed decisions that pave the way to wealth. Rich Dad believed that financial freedom was achieved through knowledge, not hours spent in an office. In summary, Rich Dad, Poor Dad offers more than just financial advice. It provides a blueprint for thinking differently about money, investments, and employment. The contrast between Rich Dad and Poor Dad's philosophies underscores a critical message: your mindset can significantly influence your financial trajectory. Understanding and applying these principles can profoundly impact one's financial success. It's not merely about how much money one makes, but more about how much money one keeps and how that money can generate more wealth. The journey to financial independence starts with a shift in how we perceive money and its possibilities. So consider this: what are the steps you can take today to start thinking and acting like Rich Dad?